So as you can see, I got my dots in here, here, and right there, and right here. So all I'm gonna do is take the ruler, basically connect them, and you got your inside of your car. Just to give you like a baseline of how wide you need to have this stuff. And once you get that down, you're gonna measure from back to front as well. So you got everything in there, and that's where you basically start laying down these on the graph paper to measure them, see how long it is, cut them, glue them, stuff like that. So I'll show you once I finish that.